Allahu Akbar.
Peekaboo.
Hello YouTube! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Boss Dandan. For today's video ay magre-react tayo ulit sa video ni Satpam Reborn, ang paborito kong mga nakakatakot na video sa Indonesia. So panuorin natin ang kakaibang mga multo sa Indonesia kaysa dito sa Pilipinas. So simulan na natin to bago simulan ng iba. Let's go! Creepy ng sigaw, parang ibon na ano no?
Can you hear it? Allahu Akbar. It sounds like there is a sound. La ilallah. What is that?
Uy! Uhuy, nagliliwanag ang kanyang mga mata. Oh my God.
Allahu Akbar. What is this? Malik Nasin. Minor Jinasya. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Oh, where did it
Nawala.
disappear?
Shit. Bigla na lang nasa harapan Oh my God.
This second terrifying video is an exploration by the ghost hunter Nob Team Explorer. As usual, he was also determined to explore one of the forests that is considered sacred there. As he entered, he was surprised by the appearance of a Pokong figure standing in front of him, until suddenly he was shocked by the Pokong that suddenly appeared right in front of him. Take this in.
Assalamualaikum, I'm back.
Ang dilim. Uy,
Assalamualaikum, I'm back.
nakaitim.
There, you see. Look at that. You can see what it is. Oh my God. Your eyes will be crushed. Peekaboo.
Anong itim mo? Parang pinunasan lang ng uling
Hey, please.
Ang pangit mo umiyak, ang pangit mo sumigaw. Parang parang nangaasar lang.
Sir, watch out. You might fall.
Ooh.
Oh my God.
Walang niya, bigla-bigla po siya.
This next scary video is still from a ghost hunter who tried to return to that location that night to prove that there were apparitions there. And after a few moments, he was surprised by a sound that seemed to float
Uy.
above the trees. Sure enough, there was the appearance of a woman's face standing looking at him from a distance. He was determined to approach the figure.
Allah's the greatest. Allah's the greatest.
Kulit ng tawa parang ibon.
Allah is the greatest. Zabika bin Asikinas. Allah is the greatest. Astaghfirullah al-Azim. 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 Oh my God. Astaghfirullah al-Azim. Allah's the greatest. Over there.
Nawala na.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah's the greatest. Allah's the greatest. Allah's the greatest. Allah's the greatest.
Puti Ay, hindi nagpo-focus ang camera Oh. Wag po. Paano kaya kung tayo ang makakasalubong ng ganyan, no? Ano kayang gagawin natin? Siguro, kung ako, siguro may himamatay ako, no? Grabe. Pero, di ko rin alam. Baka mabilis ako tumakbo. Ganun, no? Kahit hindi ako runner, eh. Talaga namang mapapakaripas ng takbo, eh. Kung saan-saan na lang, bahala na.
This next scary video is an exploration from the Ghost Hunter channel, Oh Mama, who, as usual, tried to spend the night in one of the forests.
Puntahan ko nga to. Yung channel nito ni Umaman. Ano to eh? Ito yung talagang nag-i-explore sa mga ano, no? Nagka-camping sa bukid, sa bundok, sa kagubatan pa. Ang dami niyang na-encounter na ano, multo, white lady, o ganun, basta. Diba? Puntahan nyo nga to.
That was said to be haunted there. He also said that no one dared to enter the location. Night fell, and he was shocked.
Ang tapang, no? Siya lang mag-isa, no? Ganyan. Walang hiya. May gumagawa dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, eh. Sa Visayas. May gumagawa nito, eh. Ganito. Yung naman sa kanila, mga manananggal, white lady, di ba? Yung mga aswang sa kanila.
By an apparition that suddenly appeared before him.
Uy! Gagi, may umano. Oh! Ganun, no? Uy! Itong lalapitan pa. Tumayong balahibo ko dun, ah. Parang ano, parang huni ng pusa. Ang pula ng mata, eh. Ang pula ng mata, no?
The next scary video comes from a ghost hunter from Kalimantan Scroll. That night, he tried to return to one of the forests where there was a figure of a grandmother with scary face. He also burned incense with the aim of inviting the figure. After a while, he was shocked by this apparition. Watch the video carefully.
Uy!
إن لله وإنا لله راجعون.
Uy! Uy! Kita nyo to, oh. Ooh! Putang! Ang creepy! Matanda! Ih! Nakakatakot!
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Na nakabaliktad eh, no?
إن لله وإنا لله راجعون.
Grabe, no? Kung ako yan, kakaripas na ako ng takbo niyang pauwi. Siya talagang kinukunan pa ng video, eh. Anong gagawin mo pag ikaw naka-encounter, nakaganyan? No? Ano? Pustahan tayo, takbo ka.
Allah.
Hala talaga, hala.
This next scary video comes from a
Uy,
ghost
ito, Pilipino to. Oh. Si Jasper Ghost TV.
hunter from the Philippines. That night, he dared to come at night to visit one of the huts that was said to be inhabited by a woman who adheres to the science of Manangal Iwago. He dared to
Ano daw? Mananggal, gago.
come alone, and sure enough, suddenly there was a terrifying apparition, like a woman with an incomplete
Ayan, no?
body.
Ayun siya pala itong ng mga manananggal, no? Nang hunting ng manananggal, sinusunog niya, binubusan niya ng alcohol.
Watch the video of Mr. Idol.
Grabe, parang no? Parang Hawaiian.
Pintu mengidula.
Oh, to sumigaw eh. Malapit lang yung kalahating katawan kung totoo yan. Malapit lang yung ulo,
First, brother, first.
no? Ano yun? Sumisigaw yung yung binti. Yung madali rin ng binti.
The next
Ngayon natawa lang ako ha. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi ako naniniwala. Hindi natin alam. Baka totoo. At baka hindi rin. Kasi siyempre, sa mga probinsya talagang pinaniniwalaan na may mga ganyang manananggal, aswang, 'di ba? Pero ang aswang mayroong talaga parang totoo na hindi, ewan ko, hindi ko alam. Siguro kung maniniwala lang ako kung makakakita ko mismo, no. Siguro ayaw magpakita sa akin kasi takot ako no.
terrifying video is still from the Sepam Explore channel. That night, he and his friend tried to re-travel one of the roads that was said to be inhabited by the ghost of an old woman who often passed there. He also explored in the middle of the night, and sure enough, he was suddenly shocked by this apparition that suddenly appeared in front of him.
It was walking on its big toe. You know, if you pay attention, try zooming in. Like this, it's too far. It's
Ganda
also
ganda ng jacket 1 week later. Oh, tsak. Walang hiya, nagulat ako dun sa sound effect
tiring. Well, what I was shocked. What was that? Huh? I almost fell. Huh?
Wala. Nawala.
Hello? What was that? I was shocked. This is the figure from yesterday. Try zooming.
Ayun.
Try zooming.
Yun mata oh.
Let's go home. Oh my god. Her feet are floating. Her feet are floating. Her feet are. Go on, let's see. Ah, there. Let's go for a walk.
Uy! Walang hiya, bigla lang nasulpot
Hey! Put in a barrel! Wait! Hey, what? I've already mentioned.
Oh! Taka na, nadapa wait.
This next scary video comes from the Ibnu Foji channel, where that night he and his friend tried to explore one of the tombs that supposedly
Di ba, yung sementeryo nilang ganda, ang linis, pero ang creepy. Sa atin naman, mas creepy. Bukod sa hindi na malinis ang ibang sementeryo sa atin, lalo na kapag mga public, di ba? Talaga namang, may mga puno, ng mga balete, may mga damo-damo, di ba, masusukal. Tapos kung ano-ano pa mga nakatira doon.
no one
Dito ang ganda no? Oh.
dares to enter at night. And sure enough, there was a clearly
Uy, putik. Nasa tabi niya.
visible red Kuti figure standing behind his friend. He didn't even notice the apparition until suddenly his friend ran away in fear of this apparition.
It wasn't in front. What?
Uy. Naka-red.
Ilahi. See, what's his name?
Ano ba to? Umiyak ka ba?
Oh, my pig! Go quick! Oh, my kid can't believe it yet! What's his name? What's his name? What's his name? God, no, he's from Howling. What's Scabs? What's Scabs? Who's got these radio players at the market, bro?
Ano sakit sa tenga?
Oh my.
Uy, lumutang. Lumutang ulit.
What's his name? God, no, he's from Howling. What's Scabs? What's Scabs? Who's got these radio players at the market, bro? Oh my.
Ay, di pala lumutang. Tumayo.
The next scary video is also from the Scroll channel, where that night he tried to spend the night in one of the huts in the middle of the forest. He also
Oh, sarap niya, no? Inihaw.
grilled salted fish with the
Ah, toyo. Salted fish. Toyo to. Sarap yan.
aim of inviting the figure there.
Hasa-hasa eh.
And when night fell, he didn't realize the appearance of a kuyang
Sarap matulog dyan, no? Ang lamig niyan.
figure floating right outside his hut.
Ito ata yung parang manananggal dito sa atin, no? Kaso yung iba yung manananggal sa kanila eh. Yung ulo tapos yung laman loob na nakaluwa. Tapos parang apoy na lumulutang. Eh no. Yun no. Ano lang ka alam eh, sarap ng tulog eh. Unang katakot. Oh! Creepy.
This next terrifying video comes from the Sapam Explore channel. That night, he dared to go to a forest far from residential areas. He also said that there was a tomb that was considered sacred there. And sure enough, suddenly, a woman's screams could be clearly heard. He was curious and tried to approach it. Suddenly, this is what happened.
I smell something fishy, guys. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. That's me over there. La ilaha illallah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I see a congregation. Allahu Akbar. Okan. Allahu Akbar. Astaghfirullah al-Azim. Astaghfirullah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahu Akbar.
Sabi ng creepy. So ayun nga no, kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, please subscribe my YouTube channel mga boss, madam.